losing myself, I'm losing myself tonight. Losing myself, I'm losing myself tonight. With your love, with your love, I'm losing myself, I'm losing myself tonight. Losing myself, I'm losing.
Good morning, everybody. So today, day 3 out. I have to go to the gym. I lost my towel, so I'm going to the store right now to find and buy some towel for me, and then I'm gonna go to the gym and do a one-time workout for quick, and we'll see what type of gyms they have over here. It's pretty exciting. Then go hang out somewhere else. See you there. So I just went to some random store and bought coffee, double espresso shot. You know what's the price? It's like 12 Ukrainian hryvnias, which translates to 48 cents, double espresso. It's good, strong, love it. Alright, got the towel. So I just called Uber. I'm going to this gym. It's about 1.3 miles and it's gonna cost me about $3.82. It's 96 Ukrainian hryvnias. It's a pretty good deal. Never done it here. Anton? Привет.
The lights in here are blinding me. I can't see clearly anymore. I have no fear how this will end. No, nothing scares me anymore. If we never see tomorrow, babe. If we never make it through today. If we never see tomorrow, babe. I know that I lived how I wanted to.
The workout was so good. I love it. I spent like 2 hours there. Now I'm going to hang out. There's like a recording studio right here. Super dope. Dope painting.
Hey homie, what's up?
Hey, what's up? How you doing? Alright? What you eating there?
Some ham.
Sandwich. Alright, let's go check this place out.
Inside.
That way?
No way. Which way?
That way.
That way.
Круто.
Oh.
Wow, look at this. This is a studio. Круто. Здравствуйте.
Кусочек из старого трека сэмпл просто на самом деле.
Класс.
И дилей, да и все.
Такой фанковый немножко.
Можно биточек добавить.
Нет. Look at that.
Наливай, да?
Там возле какой-то крутого пласта подавки.
И
Съемка.
да, я видосиками занимаюсь.
Ничего себе, давай возле Гэнгстара.
О, Джуси Джей. Или...
Давай с Гэнгстаром я фотографирую.
So we're going to a Krishchatik right now over there. That's like the main street. Yeah. So guys, this thing is only in Ukraine. You won't find it in America. I finally came here to try it 9 years later. They call it Big Tasty. Super huge one and amazing. So I just met my another friend. We used to be in the same university. Haven't seen him for like 9 years. And here he are. He is and his wife. Hello.
Hello!
Hey, what's up? His mother, by the way, she English teacher.
I forgot English.
Alright, bye-bye. Пока. Может, еще увидимся через годик, полтора. So this is my friend's store. She got all these cool things. Look at that. It's Valentina.
Yeah, it's me. My name is.
She's a pretty big deal over here. So we just took a pictures. It'll be on Instagram for sure. So this is hers.
Hello.
She recommends it, and she's really loved this place. If you like something,
got extra $3,000.
if you love something like that, like this is the place. All right.
Come. I'm not kidding. 3,000 euro.
Привет.
Бать. Красивый такой, блядь, да? Не то, что мы.
А ты бородач нормальный.
А я не стрижься просто.
So this is the another friend from university. Haven't seen each other for like 9 years too. So, alright, so we're going to Georgian cuisine right now. We're gonna eat some fun stuff. We're gonna eat hinkali and other things. I'm gonna film it and show you guys. It's really amazing stuff. Like if you never tried Georgian food, you're gonna love it. So this is the restaurant called Radio Tbilisi. So we're going right here.
Раньше было студентов, раньше был ремонт.
The lights in here are blinding me. I can't see clearly anymore. I have no fear how this will end.
So this is called khachapuri. This is basically like cheese inside of the crust, cheese inside and cheese on top. This is hinkali.
А здесь с чем?
С мясом.
Баранина, ровный, оборванный микс, сыр видно.
Alright, спасибо. Thank you. Wow. Look at that. Alright, so this is khachapuri. This is hinkali. Look at that. So there's a cheese inside. Look at that, melted cheese.
The lights in here are blinding me. I can't see clearly anymore. I have no fear how this will end. No, nothing scares me anymore. If we never see to.
Alright, so the food was so great. Like, this is really good restaurant. So I enjoyed a lot. We ate so much food. Now we're going home to rest, and tomorrow going to the city center again, hang out, skateboard, and then I'm gonna go to see this guy, and we're gonna chill at his place, and it'll be fun.
О, смотри, как Chevrolet можно повернуть. Красавчик. Только бери правее.